Welcome back, everybody. Monday, 13th of March. We are here. We're ready for another week of fantastic opportunity in the Forex market. Let's have a look at what we've got on our hit list for the week. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, please do remember to give me a like and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated. But without further ado, let's get straight into what we've got for the week. There is a load of opportunity in the market this week. 16 different pairs are on our hit list for the week. We'll keep an eye on each and every one of those and see exactly how they perform through the week. We'll be keeping an eye on all of these pairs on a daily basis. We'll be seeing which ones present the best opportunities, which ones give us the best risk to reward, and which ones make the most sense for us to enter and trade on actively throughout the week. As you'll see as well, we are in a bit of a trending market across all of these pairs. Euro NZD, very nice uptrend. AUD USD is on a really nice downtrend at the moment. USD CAD pulling back, but also on a really nice uptrend as it goes. GBP CAD on a really nice uptrend. We've now smashed up and we've broken these previous highs, so now we do have some upward momentum to carry on with through the week. AUD NZD, really nice downtrending market here as well. NZD CHF, again, fantastic downtrending market. We have just broken this fringe right here, and we are now completely out and we're looking for a day two, but that is looking really nice for a downward move. Euro CAD, same way, we are now on an upward trajectory. We have now broken those previous highs and we're looking for some more upward momentum as we go through the week. AUD CHF, that is nothing but down action. Beautiful trade, 15 to 1 on that last week. Nothing but sells on AUD CHF. AUD JPY also looking like a really nice seller. We've had this period of consolidation and now we've broken down, so we can look to continue selling this one throughout the week. CAD CHF, exactly the same thing. We've had this really long period of consolidation and we've finally broken out, so we are looking for nothing but sells. Euro AUD, lovely uptrend. We're looking for just buys on this one as we go through the week, looking really strong for upward momentum. GBP CHF is downtrending at the moment. It is just breaking this low of the fringe now as well. We'll see if we get some closes below that, but all in all, that is looking like a really nice downtrend to continue for us this week. CHF JPY is trudging along slightly. It's not really making any massive moves. We've had this consolidation with slight uptrend. We've been seeing higher lows, but now we have gone on to create that higher high, so we can look for the pullback to complete here before we look for more upward moves in the buy side. GBP NZD, this one has switched over now and we are now looking for buys. We've just broken that previous high here on the pullback at the moment. We had a bit of a gap as the market opened last week, but that is really looking really nice for a load of buys again this week, so we'll see what comes out of this one. GBP USD, we're in a very similar situation here. We've got some upward action coming here, some highs, some higher lows, back to another higher high. So looking for nothing but buys again on GBP USD this week. NZD JPY, this one has also now switched down to a sell. We have just broken that previous low. We are kind of coming into this bit of territory. This is still quite rangy. This is in a bit of a fringe as well. Has broken that top. We've got this little double bottom here. We'll see how we go. We will continue to sell this, but we do have to be mindful when we start to get into this area that we may see some sort of friction points down here. So that's something to be really mindful of. But all in all, the markets are looking really healthy this week. We've got so much momentum. We've got so much potential. We've just got to be careful. We've got to bide our time. We've got to be patient. We can't rush into trades. We can't jump into trades. We'll be having a look through all of these pairs on a daily basis and we'll see exactly what the potential is each morning. So do remember to join me tomorrow morning as we have a look at what the daily hit list is going to be. Now today's warning, well, two warnings for today. Each pair on my hit list today has had a massive A range. So the overnight move for Euro NZD was 125 pips. That is huge, and the A range is considered blown. So what that means is we're not going to be trading anything today, simply because all of the A ranges are blown. Let's have a look at some of the others. AUD USD, A range at 75 pips, that is far too high. USD CAD, A range at 105 pips, that's far too high. AUD JPY 142 pips, GBP NZD 137 pips, Euro CAD 92 pips. All of these A ranges are considered blown. So what that means is we are very, very likely to see each of these pairs just consolidate within the highs and lows of the A range. We're not likely to see any big moves coming out of today. We're not likely to see a lot of opportunity for profit. So that's why we have to be really mindful, and especially on days like today, we don't want to be jumping into the market for the sake of it. We want to follow the rules, we want to know exactly what we're trading, and we want to know exactly where price is going to go. And if we can't do that with the A range being blown, we will stay out of the market. And that's exactly what we're going to do through today. Now we'll come back to it tomorrow, where we hope that we'll have a much more playable A range at something within the 50 pip range, where we do still have some room for profit based on ADR. But as far as today goes, no trades are on the cards. Now the second warning for today is, you might know that the US has now gone into daylight savings mode. That means that they are now in summertime, and that means their clocks went forward on Sunday morning. And that means for us here in the UK, we are an hour behind the US times. So our daylight savings don't kick in for another 2 weeks. And that means for the next 2 weeks, we've got to be really mindful of the times that we're trading. So instead of the markets opening on Sunday night at 10 p.m, they will for the next 2 weeks open at 9 p.m. So your trading window now rolls back an hour. That means instead of our trading times being from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m, that turns into 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Anything taken after 2 p.m. is considered out of range and out of the time zone for us to trade, only for the next 2 weeks until we've got a chance to catch up with the daylight savings. Don't overlook that, it's a really important factor. When the markets are opening, they're opening an hour earlier now in the US. When they're closing an hour earlier in the US. That means the crossover between New York and London happens at a different time. And that's something you've just got to be extra mindful of in the next few weeks. And with that, we'll cap off the video for today. Please do remember to give me a like if you found this video useful, and do give me a subscribe so you can be updated as and when I put up some new content tomorrow morning. Until then, have a fantastic day everybody. Please be very careful where you're trading, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.